Hi, in this video, we will discuss how to maintain blood sugar levels. We talk about habits to maintain sugar levels, foods to regulate blood sugar, and treatment that helps stabilize blood sugar. Habits for maintaining sugar level. There are many ways to help maintain blood sugar levels, including, follow a healthy diet, as this helps to regulate blood sugar, treats diabetes, and prevents it, by balancing carbohydrates and sugar intake rather than avoiding them, and focusing on eating fiber, healthy fats, and protein sources. And it should be noted that potatoes, fruits, and whole grains help stabilize blood sugar. Exercising regularly helps to regulate the sugar level, and has many benefits to maintain a healthy body, as an exercise in the short term helps muscle cells to take in more glucose, to use it to repair tissues, thus lowering blood sugar. Long-term exercise makes cells more responsive to insulin, in addition to exercising 30 to 60 minutes a day, such as running, cycling, swimming, and lifting weights is a simple way. They are useful for lowering inflammation, managing stress, improving immunity, and hormone balance. Replacing added carbohydrates and sugars with natural and unrefined sugars, such as fruit and raw honey, and avoiding eating refined sugars, such as white cane, or refined products made from white flour, because they affect the level of glucose in the blood, raise the level of sugar and disturb its regulation. Avoid stress or excessive stress, as it leads to high blood sugar levels, as a result of the increased secretion of the stress hormone, cortisol, and increases the desire to eat comfort foods, which are processed foods that contain high levels of sugar, and prevents getting good sleep. Get enough rest, as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that about 35% of Americans who sleep less than 7 to 9 hours every night increase the incidence of many health problems, including type 2 diabetes. From stress and appetite hormones, such as cortisol and ghrelin, that make you feel hungry, and research shows that disturbed biological rhythms lead to high blood glucose and thus increase the risk of diabetes, as having a short sleep period or sleeping at the wrong times can contribute to weakening insulin. So the ideal sleep should be 7 to 9 hours at night. It is done to balance hormones and reduce stress. Foods to regulate blood sugar levels. From foods that maintain blood sugar levels include the following: fatty fish. Fatty fish are healthy foods, such as salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies, and mackerel, which are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, and EPA, which are good for heart health, as they improve the way arteries work after eating, and protect cells in blood vessels and contribute to reducing inflammation, and thus protecting diabetes patients from the increased risk of exposure to heart disease and stroke. And many studies have shown that people who regularly eat fatty fish are less likely to die from heart disease and develop heart failure, and the elderly men and women who they eat fatty fish 5 to 7 days a week for 8 weeks. They have reduced triglyceride levels and inflammatory markers. Fish are also a good source of high-quality protein, which helps in increasing metabolism rates. Leafy vegetables. Leafy greens contain antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes from macular degeneration and cataracts, which are a common complication of diabetes, and vegetables also contain low levels of calories and carbohydrates that raise blood sugar levels. Kale and other leafy vegetables are good sources of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C. One study has shown that an increase in vitamin C intake reduces inflammatory markers and analyzes blood sugar levels for people with type 2 diabetes or hypertension. The strawberry. Many people avoid strawberries for their sweetness, and the truth is that a handful of strawberries is a healthy snack, as it does not raise blood sugar much. Because it contains a low percentage of calories and carbohydrates, it is also rich in water and fiber that gives a feeling of satiety for a long time. A remedy that helps stabilize blood sugar. The best supplement at the best possible value that I will put for you in the description below the video will help you improve the lifestyle of people who have difficulty keeping blood sugar under control. And thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends to present the benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.